So I'm going to apologise now for my pronunciations of some of the words that I'm going to be using in the video. I do struggle with words at the best of times, so please just bear that in mind and go easy on me in the comments. And yes, I am wearing two jumpers, and that is because it is 12 degrees here in the workshop, which when you're sat down for a sort of long period of time filming a video, it is utterly freezing. Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather, and in this video we're going to be taking a first look at some new leather stocked by my #1 supplier here in the UK, Metropolitan Leather, from the Conceria Il Ponte Tannery. So this video is not sponsored by Metropolitan Leather, however they did send me the leather used in this video for free so I could get a first look at it and let you know my thoughts. Conceria Il Ponte is a gold member of the Leather Working Group and is also a member of the Tuscan Vegetable Tan Leather Consortium. Both of these organisations only work with the best of the best tanneries that work to the highest and strictest standards, so you know that the leather coming out of them is going to be amazing. So Metropolitan Leather are going to be stocking 4 100% vegetable tanned leathers, and they come in a variety of finishes and colour options. The Arlo belly is a distressed pull-up hide that has been stuffed with oils to give it a unique character and appearance, and it feels amazing in the hands. The Mayo belly features a semi-buff finish which creates a unique colour and texture, with each piece being truly individual. The Ponte Saffiano belly features a fine Saffiano print. And finally, the Tartufo belly, which along with the Saffiano is one of my favourites. Now this one features an embossed grain print which gives the leather a sort of two-tone effect, which I really like. So one of my favourite features about these leathers is that unlike some other leathers, these are dyed all the way through. So that means if you wanted to, you could just add some burnishing gum to the edges of your leather and bring out the natural colours within the leathers rather than having to apply any stains or edge paints. Now when Metropolitan reached out and asked me to have a look at these hides, I was a bit dubious because, like you, I had the view of my mind that, their bellies, they're probably not going to be very good. However, I was absolutely blown away by the quality of these when I opened the box when it arrived. These are not like the usual bellies that you get, which are sort of loose and stretchy. They are absolutely amazing and should in no way be considered a second grade leather option. And I have been testing these out over the last few days, making a range of products, and I've really sort of put the leather through its paces, and it's just amazing. Now each of these leathers engraves, embosses, skives, edges and burnishes incredibly well. And they can also be used for moulding, however I haven't had a chance to do that with any of these yet. Now each of these leathers are between 1 and 1.5 millimeters thick and between 40 and 152 centimeters in size, or between 16 and 60 inches, with an average area of about 9 square foot. And like I said, I have been testing these out quite a lot over the past few days, and they are absolutely amazing leathers to work with, and something that I am considering stocking here in the workshop for both my DIY kits as well as use of my one-to-one leather workshops. Now one of the real big selling points for me at least is that they are dyed through, which as I said earlier means you don't necessarily need to add any stain to the edges, and you can just use a burnishing gum to bring out the natural colours in the hide, and they do all burnish really well and give you a very nice shiny edge. Now when it comes to what you can use this leather for, well, the limit really is sort of your ideas really. You can use it like I have here for small leather goods like wallets, card holders and key rings. You can also make notebook covers of it, or you can reinforce it and use it for in stuff like bags, and I've also seen pictures of people having used this leather to make shoes. Now when it comes to the price of purchasing one of these hides, at the moment Metropolitan Leather are running an introductory discount, and each piece of leather is going to be £60 including the VAT. And that works out to be about £6.66 per square foot. So if you are just starting out in leathercraft, or you don't want to buy a whole shoulder, or you are looking for some high-end leather in the 1 to 1.5 millimeter range, then really do give this leather a consideration. Like I've said throughout this video, it really is high quality, and the hardest decision you're going to have to make is choosing which one you actually want. So if you are interested in any of these leathers, I will be putting links in the description which will take you to the Metropolitan Leather website where you can have a look through all the different colour options. So that is it for this video and a first look at this amazing leather that Metropolitan Leather is going to be stocking. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Finally, the tartuffe. This is the hard one. Tartuffe. I'm going to say faux. Tartuffe. If I say it really fast, then that'll be fine.